All right, this is 165 South, 1660 West in West Point. Come in here through the front door. Brings us into the living room. Living room's got nice wood vinyl in it. And if we come up the stairs here, brings us into the kitchen dining room area. Kitchen's got a fridge, range, microwave, and the dishwasher's right there. In the backyard, there's a kid's playground, a jungle gym, and back over there's a shed. If we come down the hallway here, there's a couple of linen closets, and then here's the hallway bathroom. Down the hallway is upstairs is where two of the bedrooms are. Here's the first bedroom. Dual door closet. And here's the other bedroom upstairs. And also upstairs is the master bed and bath. So here's the master bedroom. The walk-in closet. Plenty of storage shelves. And here is the master bath. And if we go back to the living room here, go back down the stairs, and go into the basement here. Basement's got a large living room, family room down here, storage shelves. In this closet is the washer and dryer. Comes with the unit. Off the family room, there's a big storage, cold storage under here. You can see that. And then if we come down the hallway here and we take a right, this brings us to the basement bathroom. So basement bathroom's got shower, toilet, and sink. And then also here in the basement is an office space. Nice large size office space. And then we have the garage here. It's got a two-car garage. Plenty of storage. There's a refrigerator in the garage as well. Plenty of storage, shelving, two-car garage. All right, that is 165 South, 1660 West in West Point.